Insha Allah, APC za ta ci. Yes. Daga Daura har Lagos.
Shugaban ƙasa Muhammadu Buhari ya tabbatar da cewa su za su yi nasara tun daga Daura har Lagos, inda ya dangwala ballot papersa ya tabbatarwa da al'umma cewa su ke da nasara da ikon Allah. Haka kuwa abubuwan suke a ɓangaren ita mai ɗakin nasa, ita ma ta yi zaɓe ta dangwala kuma ta linke ta maida. Bari dai ku ji kaɗan daga abin da Baba Buhari ya faɗa.
Yes, I'm very impressed because I've seen how the people turn up. I'm very impressed, I'm very happy. The candidate I voted for, I already mentioned it in so many number of states, in Nasara, in Katsina, in Sokoto, all over the place. I mentioned my favorite candidate, and I believe my constituency will choose him 100%. Yes, Nigerians should make sure that they have been respected. That means the candidates they want to vote for, they are allowed to vote for him. It is a pity there is only one woman candidate as a governorship from Adamawa State. So the woman should kindly follow our APC presidential candidate, and everybody knows him. It's very exciting. I look at those who are competing, and some of them are so agitated. They didn't know that I tried 3 times. I ended up in Supreme Court 3 times. And then the 4th time I say God day, and God sent technology. With permanent voters card, no fraudulent person can come and claim anything more than 1 vote for himself. Inshallah, APC za ta ci. Yes. Daga Daura har Lagos.